Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are reviewing the Amazon Fire HD 10. This is the 32GB 1080p with Alexa. You guys can get higher data storage if you need to. I'll put a link in the video description where you guys can get this for a good price. So sometimes they have sales, so definitely look around the holidays if you can wait. If you cannot wait, it's still worth the price. I highly recommend them. Fast and responsive Full HD display, brilliant 10.1 inch 1080p Full HD display, 1920 by 1200, octa-core processor, up to 512 gigabytes of expandable storage, designed for widescreen entertainment, microSD slot up to 512 gigabytes, dual band AC Wi-Fi, front and rear camera. Okay, let's go ahead and see if it's got some power. So you guys may have seen my past video. This is actually the second one that I'm reviewing. I actually gave one to Homestead Tessie. So this one we got for ourselves. And like I said, when they have sales, so worth it. Look at that mirror effect. It's pretty cool. So we're going to go out and fill all the information that comes up. Alright, so we went ahead and we loaded everything up. Got our Amazon linked. We got internet and everything linked to this. So yeah, basically you guys can see your movies and stuff. You know, since I'm a Prime member, we can go ahead and watch different TV shows on here. You know, you got all this stuff. Disney, Showtime, Stars, Sling, just all this stuff. Games, books, just so much you guys can do. You can shop, you got music, you got Audible, Newsstand, you got videos. Let's see, those are games and apps, books. You got your home page, and then you also have For You, which they just pick stuff. We're going to have to set our location and stuff. But yeah, with it linked to everything, you can see so much, do so much, and it's just a great tablet. You know, I highly recommend it for the price. You know, I love the first one. That's why I gave it to Homestead Tessie as a gift, and this is definitely going to help with YouTube and stuff related. By the way, guys, there is a way that you can get Google Play on here as well, and what I highly recommend you doing is going to YouTube, and then in the search term, search how to install Google Play on my Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet. And follow the instructions, and you can literally get Google Play on here and download Google Games. It's so simple, so easy to do, and I did it for my mom on her tablet, so we're going to do that on here so we can have our Google Games as well. Alright guys, thank you for watching. The tablet definitely gets a 10 out of 10. I can't express enough how awesome it is. Definitely check out the link in my video description. Sales come sometimes it's $70, sometimes it's $180. I've seen it at $200, I've seen it at $100. Honestly, at all those price points, it's a great tablet. It's worth it. But if you guys are really strong penny pinchers, then wait for around holidays. Valentine's Day normally, around 4th of July normally, Christmas, Black Friday, those kind of times you can get better deals, but definitely worth it at all price points.